My name is Nayara. I am studying at St. Lawrence College in Kingston, Canada, and I would like to share with you my experience in the program that I'm enrolled, English for academic purposes, and the life of a student in Canada, specifically in Kingston and in St. Lawrence College. So the first thing is what I like about St. Lawrence College and the student life here. So all people, since from staff and all the community wants to make you feel comfortable about living in Canada, and you will know a lot of different cultures. That is the amazing thing about studying at SLC. Also, in this program that I enrolled, I am learning a lot of new things about grammar and speaking English, specifically for academic purpose, which is preparing me through a new program in the future or getting a new job. So if you want more experience about English, specifically speaking and grammar, be aware that St. Lawrence College with the professors and staff, it's so prepared for helping you through this journey.